Hi all, Chef Noto here. I have a fantastic mise en place for you here today. No knead cinnamon raisin bread. It's one of my favorites. Of course, mise en place means everything put in its place, all of your ingredients measured or weighed, all of your utensils to use to mix it with, and all of your bowls and or equipment. So we're ready to go here, so let's mise.
Now I start the mixing process. For this mix, we're going to use the straight dough mixing method. So I'm putting in everything in the bowl at the same time and mixing it. Right here, I'm just hydrating the yeast and the cinnamon up just a little bit, and then everything else goes in at the same time. Using a Danish whisk here, it's a lot stiffer so that you can mix it more complete. You can use your hands as well to do this, but a Danish whisk is nice as well. Once I make it into a shaggy dough, I do not overmix here. And then I cover it and let it rise for about a half an hour. Then I'm going to do 3 sets of stretch and folds where you water your fingers, pull up on the dough a little bit, and you stretch and fold it all the way around. This is just the first one, and I'll build gluten development with each one after this. Once I do this 3 times, I'll cover it and let it rise, probably for about an hour and a half. After it's bulk risen, then I'll lay it on the table, flatten it out using very little flour. You want to be able to make sure that the dough sticks to the bench a little bit for friction so that you can roll it correctly and make sure that there's not a lot of air pockets inside of it. So you want to have friction on the bench when you're rolling any type of bread products or dough products. Then I make it nice and tight so that there's no air holes inside. Put it seam down inside of the loaf pan, and I sprayed the sides and put paper on the bottom. That's the risen, that's the baked, and that's the cut. This bread is delicious toasted.